Hi, hello everyone. Let us see how we traded on 23rd August. So these are all the stocks which we posted for 23rd August. Out of all these stocks, we got entry only in BPCL. Entry and target is done. Cipla opened above our level, so there was no entry at all. We missed entry in Nifty just by very few points, just like 4 or 5 points something, I believe. So that is it about today. See, we are not in the market to keep on trading. We are in the market to take some consistent profit from the market. So even if you don't get any trade from whatever we planned before market, that is also fine. It is okay not to trade, but we should not take any losses. So, but yesterday, if you have traded these stocks, definitely you should be in profit. Now let us see BPCL stock. Okay, let me open BPCL, the trade which we planned yesterday. This has given entry in the very first candle itself. So this was the trade which we planned. We wanted to go short here. In the first candle itself, it gave entry and from there it started falling. This was our initial planned target, 1:2. If anyone trailed it properly, definitely should have made more than 1:4.75, which means almost close to 5,000 profit if you're risking 1,000 rupees risk per trade. But we'll just consider this 1:2 only. Let's say you made profit of 2,000, 2,500 in this trade in BPCL. And Cipla opened above, so there was nothing much to discuss about other stocks because there was no entry at all. And there was one stock which we planned for weekly has given us entry, that is Sun Pharma. So Sun Pharma, this is something which we planned on weekly trades, and this has given entry exactly from the demand area. It started moving up. If you see, it gave almost 20 rupees up move from where it has given the entry. It has given entry and it has given almost 20 rupees. So in future, the lot size is 700. If you're trading this in future, definitely should have made around 13,000-14,000 profit in this. But still you can keep trailing this. If you haven't booked, you can just keep trailing this for further profits. We also got, we also made one more trade in Adani Ports, but it was a stopped out trade. We also tried Pidilite during the day. It didn't give any entry. So this was one level we planned in Adani Ports. We got stopped out from this level. But today, if it come to the lower level, definitely we'll plan to go long from this level. We want the price to come to the below level. And this is where we wanted to go long. Now we don't need this supply anymore. And the target also will just need to modify this as supply. So when the price come close to this area 1816 today, we'll enter long with a stop loss below 808 on closing basis, and then we'll aim for this target 836 in Adani Ports for today. So that is how we traded yesterday. Even IGL also has given entry on weekly trades whatever we plan, but it is just hovering around at buy price only. We need to see if it is going to give us stop loss or if it starts falling from that level. So this is what we planned in IGL. So if it's close above 44 448, then we'll exit the trade. Till then you can stay in the trade. So that is what happened on weekly trades. We got entry in IGL, Sun Pharma. IGL is just hovering there. Sun Pharma has given good return on the same day. Apart from this, what we did, we also entered in some bull call in RBL Bank. So the bull call trade has been shared here already. So the risk is only 4,500 and the reward is more than 1:2, almost 10,000. So whenever it is giving some good profit, you can exit or you can wait. These are not cash settled. So better to exit by at least tomorrow. Otherwise, from next week onwards, once the call is inside the money, they will keep asking you for further funds. So, and coming to, let us see what will be the levels for today, and then I'll post the intraday levels for today in our Telegram channel. So let me go to the 15-minute chart of Nifty. So if you see, this was what I have given in the trades list, but we missed entry just by very few points, and from there it started moving up. So for today, on the lower side, if it come low, back to this 19350 area, we will see once it came very close to the area and then it started moving up. So what we want now, we want some confirmation entry. We want the price come here to this zone, and when it is leaving the zone, that is where we enter the long. If it stop out, this is another area where we'll look to go long. This is also confirmation entry. We want the price come here, and when it is leaving the zone, that is where we'll go long. And if the market keeps going up, 19720 is one level which we need to keep in mind. This is the gap area. Maybe if the market come here today or tomorrow, we may see resistance from these levels. And let us see what will be the levels for Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty yesterday when it broke previous high, I said like this swing low will be the stop loss. If anyone maintained this stop loss, should have definitely made some profit. And for today, again, if the price come back to this zone, this should be your entry and the same stop loss what we planned yesterday. So in spot, if it is 90-100 point stop loss, in options it will be almost 40-50 point stop loss. If you're okay with that stop loss, you can enter. And you should be aware of this 45,274. When the price go there, you need to be cautious. If you're already in calls, this is the area where you need to book profit. And to go short, we want some confirmation. If you see any red candle starting here, we can enter puts with the stop loss above 45,350. And even if that level breaks, we'll wait for the price to reach 45,500. That is where we'll plan shorts. So just keep these levels in mind. And even on the lower side, 43,900. If the price come here, and if you see any indecisive candle and if market starts going up, that is where we'll look to go long. But for now, it looks like there is going to be mild gap up open only. We'll see how it opens and we'll see how we can plan our trades for today. And coming to intraday trades for today, I'll try to post them before the market. Thank you so much for watching.